Alright, no? So, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, no, meron tayong gagawin, no? So, kada post ko na ng video, like, lagi ako minabasa ng mga comments, no? Kahit anong klaseng video yan about SB19, mayroon ako lagi nababasa ng comments na, sino bias mo? Who's your bias? Bias mo ba to? Bias mo ba to? Bias mo ba si ganito? Baka bias mo si ganito? Or bias mo siya? Or bias mo yan? Or bias mo to? But yeah, I mean, di ako nakakasagot. Nakita nyo, paghanap kayo ng mga comments na yon, never ko nirespondan. Yung mga respondent. Tamang words ba yon? Respondent? May ganun bang, hindi ko sa nirespondan. Tama ba yon? Respondent? Hindi ako nag-respond sa mga comment na yon kasi hindi ko pa alam. Hindi ko pa rin alam kung sino, no? Nag-umpisa tayong mag-react sa mga SB19, nag-umpisa akong i-consider yung sarili ko as an 18, no? Akala ko alam ko na sa sarili ko kung sino. No? Hindi ko sasabihin, of course, no? Pero akala ko nung una, alam ko na kung sino. Pero habang tumatagal kasi na pinapanood natin sila, not just reacting to their performance, like live performance or listening to their song, we also react to their vlogs and like show break especially. I mean, favorite, no? So dahil doon, nakilala ko sila isa-isa, no? And lahat sila nagustuhan ko. So, sobrang hirap na mag-decide kung sino nga ba talaga, man? Sino nga ba talaga? And bigla ko nakita to. So this is a quiz na nakita ko sa Google. Title niya is which SB19 member are you? Will you get your bias? Have fun answering. By JR. So again, hindi ko pa alam kung sino, no? But gamitin natin to as a reference, maybe, right? No? Maybe kasi yun yung gusto nating hanapin sa bias natin, no? Na meron silang at least connection. For us, I mean, what is the definition of bias, by the way? Bias, a prejudice in favor of or against one thing, person, or group compared with another, usually in a way considered to be unfair. There was evidence of bias against foreign applicants. So, yeah, we can say na parang naging bias mo siya kasi parang mas maangat siya, mas angat yung pagtingin mo sa kanya kaysa sa iba. Like, in SB19, no? Mas angat yung tingin mo sa kay ganito kaya sa ibang members. So, kaya siya bias, no? And, of course, gusto nating maging bias is yung medyo connected para sa atin, no? So, that's why we are going to do this quiz. Again, dito official, ha? Dito official. Don't clip any of this. Is this video or kung sabihin ko dito, this is not official. I'm just going to use this as a reference. So, which SB19 member are you? Enter your name. Ano bang? It's ya boy. It's ya boy, man. It's ya boy, Kurt. Because that's my intro. Start quiz. Start quiz. Okay. Question 1 of 16. 16. Okay. Your parcel just arrived. What do you do? Unhesitatingly open the box, which gets destroyed in the process to get the product immediately. Like, madali, na parang hayok, ganun ba? Complain since the package only had 1 layer of bubble wrap, but you asked for 5. 5 bubble wrap? Okay. Play with the bubble wrap and forget about the package. What the hell? Carefully open the package and keep everything, even the box and the bubble wrap. So, I mean, I don't know kung magkano to kasi I feel like majority of us pipiliin yung pinaka last option, diba? Carefully open the package and keep everything. Like, di mo gustong sirain yung in order mo, right? So I guess yun yung pinaka logical and also I think, gagawin ko. Next. Question 2 of 16. Just finished watching an emotional movie. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Cried uncontrollably and bawling my eyes out, trying so hard to prevent my tears from falling, reflecting on the lessons of the film. I'm more on reflecting on the lessons on the film. Kasi if I watch an emotional movie, kasi sabi kasi you just finished watching an emotional movie. Usually kung nakakaiyak talaga, may iyak talaga, di ba? Pero nangyayari sa akin yun, pag during na nag-watch ako ng movie, during na nangyayari yung scene na nakakaiyak. Pero like after watching the movie, tapos na yung movie, bilang iiyak ka pa rin kasi you remember what happened. I mean, di ako ganon, no? Trying so hard to prevent the tears from falling. Again, hindi. Kasi again, di na ako iiyak tapos na yung movie eh. Again, yung feeling na lang yung matitira sa akin. So, reflecting on the lessons of the film. Next. Next. Can we go next, please? Next, please? Please? Okay. Question 3. Someone asked if they can copy your homework. What do you respond? Someone asked. Seen? So asks a message. Diba? Messenger. Fine, I'll help you. Report it to the teacher. Wait, we had a homework? Fine, I'll help you. Kasi ganun ako nung high school eh, no? Minsan may mga times na hindi ako nakikinig, no? Pero I make sure na alam ko na merong homework or assignment na mangyayari para handa ako sa kinabukasan kung magagawa ko man siya or hindi, 'di ba? But usually pag alam ko naman kung paano siya gawin and may mga tropa ako nagsabi na, "Hey, man, help naman." Tinutulungan ko naman sila. No? Hindi rin naman tayo ganun katalino, no? So, next. Question 4. It's 5:45 p.m. and you're supposed to have a get-together with your friends at 6 p.m. Where are you? At the venue, waiting for them patiently, on the way, stuck on traffic, still on bed. And number 2, on the way, stuck on traffic, no? Kasi ako hindi naman ako yung taong yung nakikita natin sa mga meme, no, na or mga short skit or funny videos na, "Hey, asan ka na?" Tapos yung paglipat ng scene, nakahiga pa sa kama. "Oh, papunta na ako." Oh, tapos yung next scene, nagligo pa lang. "Oh, traffic kasi." And then, on the next scene, nagdadamit na. "Oh, malapit na ako." Talaga. Di ako ganon, no? Pero, laging cramming yung nangyayari sa akin. No? Laging, for example, like, 6 p.m. yung meet up, maghahanda siguro ako mga 5:30, no? So, most probably nakaalis na ako ng 5:45, pero maybe traffic, nagkakos siya ng late na ako, no? I know, mas maganda na mas maaga sa venue, pero minsan di ko siya nagagawa. Kasi nga, di ba, nabanggit ko sa inyo, like tong concert nga, di ba, ang haba-haba ng time ko para mag-book ng, dito, mag-book ng carpool, pero dahil mahaba pa yung oras, hindi ko masyadong prioritize, no? So, yeah, number 2. Next. Question 5. Are you a cat person or a dog person? A cat person, of course. You guys already know that. What do you like to do in your free time? Draw, paint, play games, sleep, read books, browse on social media. These days kasi hindi na ako masyadong, or di na ganun karaming free time ko. Most of my free time kasi katrabaho ako is to sleep. Lungkot naman nun, no? To sleep. Pero nung kabataan ko kabataan, parang sobrang tanda ko na, no? I always play games sa free time ko, no? Or browse on social media. But now, if yung ngayon yung pag-uusapan natin, sleep. I sleep. Question 7. You're having a road trip with your friends. Where are you seated? Driver seat, back seat, front passenger seat. Front passenger seat, man. Front passenger seat. Hindi ako marunong mag-drive, no? Sorry. Question 8. You learned that your best friend got into a fight with your other friends. Whose side are you on? Sorry. You learned that your friends got into a fight with your other friends. Oh, okay. So, dalawang friend binag-away. Whose sides are you on? Best friend. Best friend got into a fight with your other friend. I will protect him, her with my entire life. Grabe naman yung my entire life. I need to hear both sides first. I won't side with anyone. This is the problem that they should fix at that themselves. I need to hear both sides first. Of course, tama yung sa third din, no? Na kailangan sila umayos niyan. Kasi gulo nila yan, no? Pero of course, papagitna ka kung anong mangyari para hindi sila magkasakitan. And syempre, magbibigay ka ng advice dahil nakasaparehas ng kaibigan, no? Kung sino ba talagang mali. Right? I need to hear both sides first. Question 9. Which among the following subject is your favorite? Math, Filipino, MAPE, English, TLE. MAPE and Filipino? Di pala. So, MAPE. Okay. Question 10. Are you an introvert, extrovert, or ambivert? Ambivert is both introvert and extrovert, right? May times na introvert ka. I assume I'm ambivert. Kasi may times na nauubusan ako ng gana. And nalolobat ako. And hindi naman katulad ng ibang introvert na parang pag nalobat na sila. Kasi parang i-charge nila yung ano nila, di ba? I-charge nila yung sarili nila para maipag-socialize sa maraming tao. And kaya lang nila maipag-socialize ng may limit, kumbaga. Ako kasi, wala naman. Pero pag napapagod na ako, yun na, hindi na ako masyadong parang ayoko na ng masyadong, pero kaya ko pa rin mag-stay. No, pero hindi na ako I don't know, maybe I'm extrovert, more on extrovert. Yeah, just the safe side, I'm an extrovert. Yeah. Question 11. Are you great at handling kids? Oh yeah, man, come on. Pick a song. Question 12. Pick a song you'll add to your playlist. Playlist? Gurenge? Yeah. Yan. Saan yan? Demon Slayer, Dulo. The Ones. Ano may Dulo? Dulo? Serena, Glock 9. Goat. Godspeed. Frank Ocean. Okay. Leave the door open. Leave the door open. If you song playlist, Question 13. What position do you think suits you the best? Vice President, Treasurer, Secretary, President, or Auditor? Maybe Auditor? Auditor, maybe? Huh? Question 14. You have a big presentation tomorrow. What do you do? Nothing, just go with the flow. Participate the script, practice with the script many times in front of the mirror. Take down keynotes and just improvise the rest tomorrow. More on the practice the script many times in front of the mirror. Kasi more on like Batman. Meron si Batman, di ba? Meron yung joke sa DC, no, na parang si Batman is tao lang, 'di ba? Wala siyang superpowers, pero bigyan mo ng time si Batman, kaya nga let him cook, no? Kayang talunan kahit Superman pa yan. So yun nga yung sabi nila, yung nagiging joke kasi again, maparaan si Batman. So I'm more of like a Batman. Kailangan ko ng time to prepare, to make sure that I nail the project or yung gagawin ko. Kasi minsan pag impromptu, kaya ko rin naman mag-improvise, pero I feel like hindi siya as good as magagawa ko pag nag-practice ako. Hindi ako mas confident, kumbaga. So yeah, practice script many times in front of the mirror. Question 15. Do you talk to strangers in public? I don't. Yes, I always initiate the convo. No. Only if they talk to me first. Yeah, maybe I am. Kasi ganun yung nangyari sa amin ni Philip, no, nung concert. But yeah. Mahihayin kasi ako. Maniwala kasi hindi, mahihayin ako. May pag-usap sa mga hindi ko kilala. Kaya hindi ako vlogger, no? So next. Bago mag-next. Yeah. Question 60, a bonus. Who is your SP19 bias? Has no effect on the result of the quiz. What the fuck? Optional. Please type your answer. Optional. Okay, di sagutin niya kasi hindi ko nga alam. No? Okay. Are we ready with this? You're Justin? I'm Justin? I'm more of a Justin? Ganun ba? You're a very creative person, a great listener who knows how to empathize with others when you meet new people. You're shy at first, but once you get comfortable with them, you start to talk more and even throw in a couple of corny jokes in the conversation. I'm more of a Justin. Talaga ba? Like, wow, mukhang napifeel ko. Mukhang napifeel ko na nga. Mukhang napifeel ko na nga. I'm more of a Justin nga. Okay. Alright. I'm more of a Justin. Again, this is not official yet, okay? But, medyo natuwa ako doon. I'm more of a Justin. Kasi, you know, recently, sa mga vlogs nila, I always looking forward, no, na magkaroon si Justin ng parang portion or parang dito, portion. Parang parang segment do sa vlog na yon na siya lang. Like his corny jokes and also sobrang na-enjoy ko yung naalala niyo nung Dumb the Making. Kung paano niya gawin yung sarili niya as a character sa League of Legends, yung you know, yung skills and all of that shit, no. Gato lang yung tsura ko, no. Mura ako ng mura, puro ako tato, pero I'm a fucking nerd, no. Now I'm playing RuneScape, no. But yeah, more of a Justin. Yeah, I mean, this is not official, but I don't know why. Pero parang meron akong naramdaman sa sarili ko nung nalaman kong I'm more of a Justin sa quiz na to, no? Well, that's our video today, no? Comment down below. Kung tinry nyo, no? Kung ano yung nakuha nyo, try nyo, men. And comment down below kung tama ba yung result nito sa tingin nyo sa mga napili kong answer. I feel like tama naman, no? Based na sa sinabi niya dito, pero yeah, I mean, that's our video for today, no? I mean, hindi ko pa rin alam, no? Hindi ko pa rin alam kung sino pipiliin ko. But yeah,